Okay, well, welcome back to Sci-Chi, and this is a Steve Trevor portion. Personally, this is going to be really short. Yeah, there's not that much to say about him. He was good. I mean, Chris Pine is good. He's always good. He's usually good. There's not really, I can't really think of a movie where he was really bad. In this movie, I mean, the biggest problem with him in this movie is it seemed like a good idea at first, but actually there might be a little bit more to talk about this. Actually, about the, let's just say the rape. The rape in this movie. Yeah, the rape in this movie. Look, there's the kind of a double standard with this. The fact that Gal Gadot, I mean, Wonder Woman could have sex with a man who's in another body of another man. Steve Trevor's in the body of this other man, and she has sex without his consent. And we're talking about consent nowadays, and more often is kind of a huge double standard. And I don't know what the writers were thinking when they were thinking of that. You're not making a situation that is serious better. You're literally just and it might be like, oh well, you're a man, you're upset because you got double standard, but it's like, no, it's kind of you're making light of something that a lot of women don't like. So you're just like, well, it's just funny for him, and it doesn't really bode well, because it doesn't make a situation when you talk about consent any better. It just makes it worse. That's probably the hugest issue we have with Steve Trevor. And also the fact that they go around the globe fighting and stuff like that. You don't know what this guy is losing out on. Like, he could be losing his family, missing his family, or just missing his job, or just get injured, and then all of a sudden he comes back in his body. Like, if he gets seriously injured, he comes back and now he's in an injured body. It's like, who wrote this and thought that was a good idea? There's a lot of just things that you need to be sensitive about, even nowadays, but even back in the day. You don't want to set these kind of presidencies, because it's like, you're not really being funny, or even taking a point where it's like, okay, well, this is a dead guy, and we're gonna go through the fact that he might be an asshole, and this could be his turn to be a better person, or something like that, to be a life lesson. They just chose to do it as a joke, and it wasn't really funny whatsoever. So please, for the love of God, any writers out there, don't do this. Please, don't do this. Other than that, Chris Pine, after that rant, Chris Pine is great. He does a really good job. He's always a charm. He's probably the bright spot in this movie, because he's just so charismatic, and he does a really good job. He knows when to lead and when not to lead. So he's always he's a good supporting actor when he needs to be, and he's a great leader when he needs to be. So that's about him. If I was rating him, I'd give him a 7 out of 10. So that's for Steve Trevor.